again. Um, I have another app called Shut Up Button app. It's for like if I ever talk about something, or if I say why do people judge, and I'm like,
shut up!
like that. I'm like, shut up. Instead of me saying it, I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use the app because I really don't like saying it that much. I don't say it that much anymore, so I just wanna use a button.
Shut up!
So here's 1 through 7. This is number 7.
Shut up!
6.
Shut up!
5.
Oh, shut up your mouth!
4.
Shut up!
3.
Oh, shut up. Oh, shut up. Just shut up. Will you please? Shut up. Shut up. Shut up, I tell you, shut up. Shut up. Stop talking and answer the phone. Thank you.
Number 2.
Shut up!
That's one that Smoosh has. And I'm not going to use number 2.
Shut up!
This is number 1. So, tell me which one you like, or if you don't want me to use it, comment below. So, yeah. Some of you probably didn't watch my bleep video and you know my kick and my Skype, so, yeah. Same thing, if you want to comment with bleep sound as well, you can comment down on this YouTube video too. So, thank you. And it's 1 through 7, so please pick what shut up when I should do. So, thank you and goodbye.
Shut